What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joel. Today we're working on the Jetta. We're actually going to be replacing the O2 sensor pre-cat. Hopefully we're going to try to fix some problems we've been having as far as rough idling and such. So that's what we're doing today. Let me get my tools. We're going to take the intake off right now and let's get started. All right, so basically we got the intake tube out of the way. I could remove it completely, but this connector is really a pain to remove and install without breaking it. So we're just gonna move it out of the way. We have enough room to actually get to the sensor here. And you're probably wondering what tool we're gonna use. I did order a tool from AutoZone. This was about 30 bucks, I think. And it should be enough to get in there and pop it loose. All right guys, I got it loose. If you're doing this at home, you're gonna want to pretty much orientate it right around here. And it's gonna be tight. I think that's all the space it gives you right there. And you're just gonna have to push your damnedest to break it loose. All right, trying to loosen it out and pull it out, it's not gonna work. So you're gonna wanna unplug it. What's going on is when you're trying to loosen it out, the wires are getting tangled. So it's not gonna let you do it. What you wanna do is unplug it here. Okay, that's in. These just push to close on those. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put this back together and hopefully no issues. And hopefully this helped you out. All right, all better. I know the engine bay is a mess, but what can you do? Car is on ramps, but for no particular reason. I was just checking on things underneath. I did have somebody ask me how the underglow was doing, and the double-sided tape is still holding on. I don't know if you can see it there. See, it's right here. That's the light strip. It's still holding on all sides. Let me see underneath here. Yep, still holding on. And this car has been driven through all kinds of weather, rain, puddles and stuff. Haven't had any issues. Still lights up, still looks good. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out and get you a kit. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Peace.